This is Emily, and I'm back. I'm weird because it's the first face-to-face one in quite a while, but I had a lot to say, and I just spent $37 at the Dollar Tree. Okay, first things first, look at my scarf. I finished it. Oh, isn't it? It's the cutest effing thing I've ever seen, and I love it. Now I need to make a hat, and I'm going to do an informal poll of my 17 followers and regular watchers. Which color do you think would be the best to make my hat out of? It's gonna be kind of a slouchy pom-pom hat, like that. I was thinking maybe this kind of like orangey red persimmon color, or I don't know if green. I'd look a little ill maybe, although I do love this color green. Or I was thinking maybe like this sort of winey shade, kind of. It's like a dark, oh, here it is. Like this kind of shade. It's kind of a dark Cabernet. I'm not a wine drinker. I don't know. So tell me what you think would be a good color for a hat. Like it's kind of like it's a pom-pom hat, but it's sort of slouchy, and then the pom is like right here, but it's just I just want it solid. So tell me, guys. Oh, all right. So Dollar Tree. This, okay, to preface this, my whole family, my husband's family comes to our house for Thanksgiving, but it's like our Christmas, because they're all in Minnesota, so they come down and we have Christmas at the weekend after Thanksgiving. So at Thanksgiving, our house is decorated for Christmas. And I don't hate it, so peace. If you don't like that, then that's fine. But Dollar Tree is a great place for Christmas decorations. They're so cute, and they're $1. So this is gonna go up by our Nespresso Keurig station. Cute, right? That's cute. It's like a, I don't know, it's pretty thick. It's got some like glitterous on it. Glitterous? Dolores? No. Glitter, not glitterous. So name that show. If you know the reference, then awesome. All right. I'm not on drugs, I swear. I needed this kind of stuff because usually we do not use, you know, paper products. We use our dishwasher and use our plates, except for our dishwasher is broken. And I'm not entirely positive that it will be fixed by then, although I do have a lot of faith in my husband. I don't have a lot of faith in this dishwasher. So, we'll see. I wanted to have throwaway things, and we'll use them, and they're really cute. It's like a snowflake one. Oh, somebody just pulled up beside me. This is awkward. A little Santa, a little snowman. Just keep on walking, lady. And then there's like matching paper plates, obviously. Where are those? Oh, yeah, paper plates that match the cups. I had to get 2 Santas because there wasn't another blue themed one. The red and then the snowman. And then matching napkins. Don't let me loose in the tree. I can't handle it. I go crazy. I had to get 10 tea lights for our daisy project tomorrow because we've got a daisy meeting. And then I got 9 of these. They're LED window candles. And our house is like it's very like the traditional colonial style, so the windows are very symmetrical. And we used to put wreaths on the windows with red bows, and then white Christmas lights on the 2 like evergreen trees by our front door, which was it made my holiday heart sing. But then when the wind would blow, the wreaths would scratch against the window, even though we had them like pulled tight with fishing wire inside the window, and it would drive me nuts at night. It'd be like, no, couldn't do it. So as much as I love the wreaths, I'm gonna try these. They suction cup to your window, and then it looks like you have candles in your windows. So I don't know. I'm hoping I like the LED light though. If it's the right kind of light, I'll like it. I'm weird about color temperature in lights. It's weird. And then I bought these headband wraps for a special project. I needed some more jump bands for my traveler's notebook inserts, and these are really good. These kind of big elastic head wrap bands, and you get a ton, and they're in different colors, and it's better than I was using just a flimsy rubber bands, and that wasn't working so hot. And then these, I'm coming at you guys with something that's gonna blow your damn minds off. So just get ready for that. Oh, and then these ornaments. Just cause, guys. The tree overtook me. And that's it. That's all I have right now. But I'm so excited about this project that I'm gonna show you. Oh, and I got some foam mounting tape squares for my TN decorations and just different stuff. See, I'll give you a hint. I've been watching a ton of people's 25 days of Christmas or whatever journals. Well, mostly I've been watching them like decorate the pages to prepare, but there were some hang-ups I had, and well, let's just say, I don't know. I got something brewing upstairs, which is always a pretty flippin' dangerous thing when it comes to me. But at any rate, oh, I dropped napkins down the center of my console. Okay, now I really gotta get going. I gotta go. Thank you guys. Go to Dollar Tree. Start Christmas early. I think I read somewhere that people who put up their tree and get it all going early are happier. And I agree. And I can see on my radio that Shallow by Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper is on the radio. So that's when I'm gonna peace, and I'm gonna sing the shit out of this song. So thanks guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.